Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart Pay in store. First, download the free Walmart app to your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log into your existing one. From the app's home screen, tap on the Services tab, then select Walmart Pay. This is where you'll securely link your payment methods, like your credit or debit card, or even a Walmart gift card, making your shopping experience smoother and faster. When you're ready to check out, simply open your Walmart app and tap the Walmart Pay icon. If you've linked multiple payment methods, you can easily choose which one you'd like to use for that specific transaction. The cashier will then prompt you to scan a unique QR code displayed on the payment terminal. Just point your phone's camera at the code, and within a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation on both your device and the register, indicating a successful payment. Walmart Pay offers several fantastic benefits designed to enhance your shopping. It provides a completely contactless and secure way to pay, minimizing physical interaction. You'll also receive digital receipts directly in the app, making it simple to track your purchases and manage returns. With the ability to link various payment methods, you have ultimate flexibility. Ultimately, it streamlines your checkout, potentially saving you several minutes during each visit. To ensure a smooth experience, always make sure your smartphone has a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Keeping your Walmart app updated to its latest version is also crucial for optimal performance and security. If you encounter any issues scanning the QR code, try adjusting the distance or angle of your phone. For any persistent problems or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Walmart's customer service directly through the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.